What's going on, guys? This is that Genius Dude here, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix a corrupt USB drive or a corrupt hard drive. And if you have a corrupt disk, like not a floppy disk, but a CD drive, then it will not work. Or I mean the CD itself. It does not. The computer does not detect it. Does not show it on the disk part program built in the command prompt that we're going to be using today. And if you have Vista or 7, then you can go to the Start menu and search it in. But with XP, I have no clue how to get to the command prompt, but I think it's somewhere on this side, but I have no clue. Haven't used XP in years, so sorry I can't show you that on this. But yeah, Vista or 7, just go in the search bar and on the Start menu and type in CMD, hit enter or click on it. You should select it automatically. And the first thing you want to do when you're in the command prompt, you want to type in disk, D-I-S-K, and no space, part, P-A-R-T, and hit enter. And then you can select, hit yes, and then another window is going to pop up. And then wait till it says disk part with that little arrow thing, I don't know what it's called. And or greater than sign, that's what it is. And sorry for that. And then the next thing you want to do is type in list, sorry for that, disk, and with the space. And you'll see the disk numbers. It'll say disk number, status, size, free, and I don't know what that stands for. DYN and GPT. I have no clue what that stands for, but you don't really need to know that. And if it says status online, then it's powered on and it's ready to be messed with. And then whatever one is corrupt for you, you just type in select, or CELECT. Alright, I'm gonna stop spelling that stuff out. Select disk and then put the disk number. And let's see what I'm gonna use. Let's use disk 1, because that's my storage. When you type in select, it'll say disk 1 is now selected, or it's now the selected disk, and what you want to type is clean and hit enter. But I am not going to hit enter, because then that's going to wipe my whole storage hard drive and have a bunch of important information on that. So, and whenever you hit enter, and just wait until the next thing comes down, like it'll pop up saying it's now been cleaned. And then what you want to type in after that is create partition primary, and then hit enter. And then it'll create. Basically what that does is creates a partition. If you don't know what that is, it's kind of like a section of a hard drive, and you only need one section, and it's the primary, the main. And it works the same way with hard drives or the USBs. And then when you hit enter, it'll create it, and then you can just exit. You can hit the exit button, or you can type exit. That's just what I do. And then hit exit button, or okay, that didn't work. Okay, after you exit that, what you want to do after that is, I think we could have done it in the command prompt, but this is just easier instead of having to type a bunch of other stuff. And this is what I selected, and whatever you selected and created the partition thing, and you want to right click and click format. And then you just select the capacity. It should have the capacity, or the right capacity, and then it just put it on the default, and then the calculation size, just keep it on whatever it comes up on, and then just name it. Like here it says storage. It says storage right there. Just type in what you want to name it, and then click quick format. Make sure it's selected, and then click start. I'm not going to do that because then it's going to erase everything. And then after it's done, you can close out, and then it'll be ready. So if this helped you in any way, and subscribe or like the video.